Welcome back, friends. In this video, we shall apply the knowledge that we obtained in the previous video and do a calculation for the rate of tax applied to us. Let us do the calculation for the building at Athashri. The value of the building is 20 crores and 50 lakh rupees. This is as per the documents submitted by the builder to the society for valuation of our sinking fund. The total FSI in square meters is 14,205. So the capital value per square meter of FSI works out to 14,432 rupees. Therefore, the tax rate which applies to us is at the rate of 1 rupee and 78 paisa for every 1000 rupees of capital value. Let's take a look at the calculation for the land which is to be taxed, capital value of land. The capital value of land is rupees 25 crores. Once again, this figure comes from the data provided by the project proponent or the builder. The total FSI 14,205 square meters. The capital value per square meter works out to 17,600 rupees per square meter. So we find from the tax bills that are given to us that the tax rate applied to us is 2 rupees and 21 paisa per 1000 rupees of capital value. I will demonstrate by taking the example of a 1 BHK flat with a carpet area of 442 square feet. Majority of the flats in our society belong to this category, more than 150 flats out of 265. The capital value per square meter we saw was 14,432. The carpet area in square feet is 442. That translates to 41.06 square meters. These numbers will be there in your index too. So the capital value of the building share of the flat, your share if you are having this flat, will be A multiplied by C, which works out to 5,92,603 rupees and 70 paisa. Now the tax is chargeable on a number which is the capital value divided by 1000, and that comes to 592 rupees at 60 paisa. So the tax rate we mentioned earlier was 1 rupee 78 paisa. So the tax on building, your share of the tax on building, if you are having a 442 square feet carpet area, works out to 1,051 rupees and 87 paisa. Let us now look at the calculation for the land as it applies to a 1 BHK flat of 442 square feet carpet area. As we have seen earlier, the capital value of land for every square meter of FSI is 17,600 rupees. Carpet area in square feet 442, which translates to a carpet area in square meters 41.06. So the capital value of the building's share for this particular flat is 7,22,687 rupees and 43 paisa. Chargeable amount, divide this number in D by 1000, that works out to 772.69, and the tax rate on the building, as we saw earlier, is 2 rupees 21 paisa. So the tax on the building for this particular flat will work out to 1,597 rupees and 14 paisa. So we'll add two numbers, this one and one in the previous slide, to get the property tax for a flat of 442 in the next slide. We shall now see how the total property tax bill is calculated. We take the first number, 1,051 rupees 87 paisa for the building share part. The land share works out to 1,597 14 paisa. The total of A and B is 2,649.01, and the actual billed amount for that is 2649 to the nearest rupee. In addition to that, you are paying a lighting cess of 40 rupees and a sanitation cess of 40 rupees. So the total bill that you get is the sum of D, E and F, which is 2729 rupees, 2729 rupees. Points to be noted that the sanitation cess for a 1 BHK, as we saw in the previous slide, is 40 rupees. For a 2 BHK, it is 50 rupees. Lighting cess for a 1 BHK is 40 rupees and the lighting cess for a 2 BHK is 50 rupees. So if we take examples of other carpet areas, now this will cover about 252 flats. I have not put up the chart for flats on floor P1. But you can use the same methodology and calculate and check your own bills. So for a 2 BHK 833 square feet, the total bill comes to 5,092. So I'll not take the time to read. You can just refer to this by pushing the pause button. It will be a good idea to see if the same tax rate applies to similar flats. We can only compare between equals. We cannot compare oranges with apples and bananas with watermelons. So here is one example of a tax invoice for flat number 906 in Tower 1 of Highlands. As you can see, this has an area of 971 and the address is shown in the appropriate box. The reason we are comparing this is because Highlands had also obtained its completion certificate and society registration around the same time as we did. The calculation for the flat in Highlands is like this. The carpet area shown is 971 square feet, which translates to 90.21 square meters. The property tax in the bill is 5,819 rupees. Plus sanitation and lighting cess adds up to 100 rupees and the total bill is 5,919. This fits into the same formula that we have applied for our tax calculations. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you very much for your attention, and coming up next is a topic which is of great interest to us, and that pertains to whether or not we are eligible for any concessions under the Integrated Township Projects notification of the Urban Development Department of Government of Maharashtra. So once again, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.